What if I told you there's a city where ancient walls whisper tales of sultans and scholars, and where the Atlantic Ocean kisses centuries of history?
Welcome to Rabat, Morocco's timeless capital, where every street has a story. Once a strategic fortress, now a vibrant heart of politics and culture, Rabat is where the old meets the new in the most poetic way. Wander through the Medina, a labyrinth of colors, spices, and artisan crafts. Stand before the Hassan Tower, an unfinished dream from the 12th century, still towering with silent grandeur. Just steps away, the Mausoleum of Mohammed V shines in white marble, guarding the legacy of a nation.
But Rabat isn't just about the past. It's buzzing with modern life.
From seaside promenades along the Bourigreg River to the rhythms of contemporary art in the Mohammed VI Museum, a city where tradition and trend walk side by side. So, have you walked Rabat's streets, felt its ocean breeze, heard the echoes of its history?
Drop a comment and let us know what part of Rabat stole your heart. Like and follow for more stories.